Jake Miller was born in a tiny apartment in Detroit, USA. His father worked double shifts at a factory. His mother cleaned hotel rooms just to keep food on the table. Some nights, the electricity was cut off because they couldn't pay the bills. At school, kids laughed at Jake's old clothes and broken shoes. Teachers said he was average. Neighbors said people like him never become successful. But Jake had one dangerous habit. He dreamed bigger than everyone around him. Every night, while others slept, he watched videos about millionaires, business, and success. He read books from the public library because he couldn't afford to buy them. He wrote one sentence on his bedroom wall. "Being born poor is not my fault. Staying poor is my decision." At 16, Jake started washing cars after school. At 18, he worked at a fast food restaurant during the day and drove for delivery apps at night. He slept only 4 hours a day. People called him crazy. Friends spent money on parties, clothes, and video games. Jake invested every dollar he could save. One day, he noticed something important. Small businesses were struggling to grow online. Most owners didn't understand social media or marketing. Jake borrowed an old laptop and started learning digital marketing from free YouTube videos. He failed again and again. His first business made only $27 in 1 month. But he didn't quit. While others watched Netflix, Jake studied advertising. While others complained, Jake improved his skills. While others wasted time, Jake built his future. At 23, he launched a small marketing agency from his bedroom. Within 2 years, companies across America started hiring him. His income exploded from hundreds to thousands, then millions. But Jake wasn't finished. He invested in technology startups, real estate, and AI companies. He took risks when others were afraid. Every failure taught him a lesson. Every setback made him stronger. By age 35, Jake became one of the youngest self-made billionaires in America. News reporters asked him, "What's the secret to becoming rich?" Jake smiled and answered, "Most people want success, but only a few are willing to suffer for it." Years later, Jake stood on the stage of a global business conference. Behind him, a giant screen showed his net worth. $1 trillion. The crowd went silent. Jake looked at thousands of young people and said, "I started with nothing. No money. No connections. No special talent. The only thing I had was a dream bigger than my fear." Then he pointed at the audience and said, "If you can stay focused while everyone else is distracted. If you can keep going while everyone else quits. If you can believe in yourself when nobody else does. Then your story can change too." Moral of the story: success is not about where you start. It's about how long you refuse to give up.